to the Graffiti Jungle. This is the fake Rockstar, episode 10, season 18.
So I just noticed that my cigar pipe got a couple of scratches. They be getting mad at me because I light it with a lighter and not matches. They say a full hand isn't a receiving hand.
This shit got a little bit of water in it. It could use a little moto. No Yugi moto. Or no cell phone. Hello moto.
But I'm carrying my garden. They want to talk about overrated and not mention James Harden. See, I keep digging in my pocket, keep coming up with lint. Or is it, I keep digging in my pocket, my money is spent. I don't know, I had to pinch me a tent because I couldn't afford rent. No, literally, I'm carrying my garden. No eating. They asked me if I want to go to Europe, somewhere like Sweden. I'm like, no. I want to go somewhere like Italy, meet a bitch named Sicily so I can park on the balcony. I'm an artist. My house can't be a bore. So today, we gotta do a little home decor. You see, I'm an artist. I need me a little excitement, a little whore. Now, I don't want her to do something abhorrent because she's a big whore with no loyalty. I just need a little whore, just for me, personally. Don't mind my floors. I'm gonna get some wood panels to cover that up. This is a quick little 360 house tour before I start to paint on my walls. There's the ceiling, no Sistine Chapel, but we're gonna work on it. This is the third time I drew this bitch. You ever get tired of drawing a sexy bitch? Yeah, me neither. I mean, she's art. I'm thinking about putting her against the wall. I mean, she's so goddamn beautiful. She deserves a whole goddamn gallery. But I gotta sketch out my pictures because they're on my phone so that I can reference them as I paint them on the wall. I'm getting a little hungry. Let me go into the kitchen real quick. All right. For breakfast, we got some jazzy jambalaya with chicken, sausage, and ham. Fuck with that. 17 grams of protein.
There's a house in New Orleans.
Take a look around. When they say right.
My little shit, fine shit, pop your shit. Oh yeah, AP.
However do you want me? However do you need me?
Call the house around.
Look at some high
Wrist, do your big one, boss your bitch. Well, it's been the ruins of many.
however do you want me?
Here are my sketches I did for reference. So, this is my mural. We got Mewtwo eating Mew, like on some Attack on Titan type shit. Right around the corner, everybody's favorite, not Pikachu, right? We got Charizard, Flamethrower. And then my bitch over here watering her plants while she's in the kitchen cooking. just want to congratulate me for doing such a good job. She got me some chicken pot pie. She watered her plants, and she cooking in the kitchen. I need a new bitch because I don't want her to think she's doing too much. I need a bitch to water the plants and need a bitch to cook.